Tired of your marketing feeling like a juggling act? Let's streamline your workflow by connecting ManyChat to Activecampaign using the power of Zapier. First, jump into your ManyChat account and navigate to the Automation tab. This is where you'll create the trigger for sending data to Activecampaign. Create or select a flow that contains the user data you want to send, like their name, email, or any custom fields you've created. Now, head over to Zapier and click that Create Zap button. Zapier is the magic bridge that will connect ManyChat and Activecampaign. In the Trigger section, search for ManyChat and select it. Choose New Chat Flow User as your trigger. This tells Zapier to listen for new users entering your chosen flow in ManyChat. Connect your ManyChat account if you haven't already. Next, Zapier will ask you to choose the specific flow you set up earlier. This ensures Zapier only triggers when users enter that particular flow containing the data you want to send to Activecampaign. Test the trigger to make sure Zapier is receiving data from ManyChat. Now for the action, search for Activecampaign and select it. Choose the Create or Update Contact action. This will either create a new contact or update an existing one in Activecampaign. Connect your Activecampaign account. Then, the most important step, mapping the fields. Match the data from ManyChat to the corresponding fields in Activecampaign, like email, first name, and any custom fields you've set up. This ensures the data lands in the right place. Once you've mapped all your fields, test your Zap to make sure everything is flowing correctly, and finally, click that switch to turn your Zap on. Now, every time someone enters your chosen flow in ManyChat, their information will automatically be sent to Activecampaign. Ready for your amazing marketing automation?